Hi, and welcome back to Apple Cottage. This is Sandy. Well, I'm just doing up my dishes. Got back from a Master Gardener meeting, and I thought I'd do these up. I don't like having to have dishes in the morning when I first wake up. And so, as you may notice, I have 2 white tubs in my sinks. The reason why I do that, conserve water. So not so much water is just going down the drain, going into the systems. And you may think that you don't really save very much, but really, I save quite a bit. There's really at least an inch all the way around the tubs. I'm not filling the sink as deep. One of the nice things is this water, the rinse water. If I don't have that many dishes, so that things might get transferred from this soapy water over here, I'll just let that sit there and cool, and then I'll dump it right into my plants. So it saves me some plant water. Now, granted, it did come out of the sink, which, I don't really like giving chlorinated fluoride water to my plants. But I do it on some hardy plants, and it seems to work. And maybe you're thinking to yourself, why are you not using a dishwasher, girl? I don't even have a dishwasher. These are my dishwashers. When we first bought the house 15 years ago, it did have a dishwasher. I never used it. I stored canning jars and paper towels in there. With the exception once in a while when I was canning and I wanted to really sterilize those jars, or we had a lot of people over. But then one day, one of our girls, their dishwasher broke down and they didn't have the money to buy a new one. And I said, well, if you can drive on over, I'll give you this dishwasher. I'm not using it anyway. So now in that space, I just have my garbage can and my composter. It works out fine. There's just 2 of us. Other than if we have company, it's really not that many dishes. I like the idea that I'm saving on my water bill. Sorry, the dogs are hearing something or other, who knows what. It's probably a rabbit out there in the yard or something. So I'm just gonna finish up my dishes. Then tomorrow morning is gardening together, because every Tuesday and Thursday morning it's gardening together. And I am actually going to do my video tonight, so I can upload it tonight, and then it's just scheduled to pop over. It'll pop over about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're going to talk about potatoes. I love homegrown potatoes. And I'm just going to finish these up. Welcome back to Apple Cottage, and I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow morning at Gardening Together.